Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Juliet from Juliet's Corner. And I miss you. I haven't posted for a month now because I'm so busy, and I have a good news. Before I proceed to my video for today, I would like to announce to you that my launching date for my website www.designsbyjuliet.com will be this coming Saturday, May 1st, 2021. So I have a lot of like good stuff, nice stuff, trendy, classy, and simple, cute, inspirational shirt like this. So it says Dog Mom. It's just that my camera is like in front of my cell phone, so you read it like in the other side. Another one here, it says Plant Mom. So if you are interested, you can check it out, designsbyjuliet.com. So those are a few of my designs that I have in my website, and when you order $75 and up, you're gonna get a free shipping. Yes. Okay, so today, before I proceed again, I would like to thank everyone who already subscribed to this channel, and bear with me. I haven't posted for a month now, but I miss all of you, and I'm so busy with a lot of stuff. All my stocks with different color. I have a lot of beautiful color for summer, and I hope you will like it. Just go onto my website. Actually, my business page in Facebook is Design by Juliet, and then in Instagram, Design by Juliet, and if you would like to follow me in TikTok, it's Design by Juliet as well. For today is all about thank you card. Okay, I did this thank you card a few weeks ago, but I have some revision over here at the bottom. The tagline, I changed it, so now it says simple, classy, and trendy. And then I have a QR code here, my website here. You're just gonna take a photo and it will direct you to the website. And then I have business page here, and it's just a thank you card. So I just did it myself in Canva, show you how I make thank you card at home. So stay tuned. Okay, so right now I'm here in my laptop, and I did the design. I have the QR code I generated also here in Canva. So if you would like me to make a tutorial on how to generate or how to get a QR code for your website, you can just go to my TikTok account, and I have a few minutes or probably few seconds how I did this, and it's so easy. So just go to my TikTok, look for my video on how I made the QR code, and then the design, I mean my logo, my company logo, I also did this here in Canva. Everything is here in Canva, and then it's just a simple thank you card. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save it first. So let me try to copy it and paste it in Word. And this is too big, so hold on. So now I'm here in Word, so I just made this layout landscape so I can divide the space. I can make 4 pieces in A4 size of a card stock, because I'm using cardstock here. Okay, so I have this cardstock that I got from Michaels, and I'm not really sure what is the thickness of this one, because I bought this long time ago. In making a thank you card, I'm just using this Epson 7720. I believe this is 7720. Okay, so I'm using this Epson 7710 for the card, the thank you card, and the hang tag. Is that what you call? So probably I'm gonna show it to you after this one as well. But it is so easy. It's the same materials, same application that I used. So here we go. So this is our thank you card, and it's so simple. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this into 4 using my cutter board, the Cricut brand. By the way, this is not sponsored by any brand. It's just that I want to share with you guys what tools or equipment I'm using. And of course, if you wanted to be more look like this and not the pointed one, so make sure you can have this, and you can get it cheaper in Amazon. I forgot this one though. So this one is the brand called Kadomaru Pro, but I am not sponsored by any of those. So there you go. So thank you everyone. This is just easy step. You just have to have your own design, have it printed, and you can do it by yourself. So thank you everyone. If you would like to get more tips of these DIYs, I have a lot in my channel. You can follow me on this channel, and for those who haven't followed yet, you can just subscribe to this channel. And then don't forget to like this notification. Don't forget to like this video if you think that this video helps you, and don't forget to turn on your notification for all the subscribers and for all the the viewers that wanted to subscribe me. Turn on your notification so every time I post this kind of videos, you will be updated. So I think that's it for tonight, and don't forget to check my website, www.designsbyjuliet.com. all the link I'm gonna put it in the description box below. So that's it for tonight, and have a good night. Bye.